Introducing the Nanxiang diesel portable air compressor, built for power, mobility, and reliability in the toughest conditions. Engineered with advanced diesel technology, it delivers a stable and continuous air supply wherever your work takes you, from mining and construction to road building and drilling. Nanxiang compressors provide the strength you need with lower fuel consumption and reduced maintenance. Choose Nanxiang, your trusted partner.